Namaste everyone. I am Shelja and I am welcome to you in my YouTube channel. Sri Ramcharit Manas of Goswami Tulsidas enjoys a unique place among the classics of world's literature. It is a fine specimen of most exquisite poetry and can compare favorably with the best poems of the world. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Shri Ramcharit Manas. The Manas lake containing the exploits of Sri Rama, descent 1, Bal Kand. वर्णानार्थ संघानाम रसानाम छंदसामपि मंगलानाम च कर्तरो वंदे वाणी विनायको. I reverence Saraswati, the goddess of speech, and Lord Ganesha, the originators of sound, represented by the alphabet of multitudes of objects denoted by those sounds of poetic sentiments as well as of meters and bestowers of all blessings. भवानी शंकरो वंदे श्रद्धा विश्वास रूपिणो याभ्याम विना न पश्यन्ति सिद्धाः स्वान्त स्थमीश्वरम्. I greet Goddess Parvati and her consort Bhagwan Shankara, embodiments of reverence and faith, without whom even the adept Siddhas cannot perceive God inherent in their very heart. वंदे बोधमय नित्यं गुरुं शंकर रूपिणं यमाश्रितो हि वक्रोऽपि चंद्रः सर्वत्र वन्द्यते. I make obeisance to the eternal preceptor in the form of Lord Shankara, who is all wisdom, and resting on whose brow the crescent moon, though crooked in shape, is universally adored. सीताराम गुणग्राम पुण्यारण विहारिणो वंदे विशुद्ध विज्ञानो कवीश्वर कपीश्वरो. I pay homage to the king of birds Valmiki and the chief of monkeys Hanuman, of pure intelligence, both of whom sport in the holy woods in the shape of glories or Sita and Sri Rama. उद्धवस्ति संहारकारिणीं क्लेशहारिणीं सर्वश्रेयस्करीं सीतां नतोऽहं रामवल्लभाम्. I bow as Sita. I bow to Sita, the beloved consort of Sri Rama, who is responsible for creation, sustenance and dissolution of the universe, remove afflictions and begets all blessings. यन्माया वर्षवर्ती विश्वमखिलं ब्रह्मादिदेवासुरा यत्स्त्वाद् मृषैव भाति सकलं रज्जो यथा हे ब्रह्मः यत्पादप्लवमेकमेव हि भ्वाम्बोधे स्थिति शावतां वन्दे अहं तं शेषकारणपरं रामाख्यं ईशं हरिम्. I adore Lord Hari, known by the name of Sri Rama, who is superior to the lies beyond all causes, whose Maya elusive power holds away over the entire universe, including gods from Brahma, the creator, downwards, and demons, whose presence lends positive reality to the world of appearances, even as the false notion of a serpent in entertained with reference to a rope, and whose feet are the only bark for those who are eager to cross the ocean of mundane existence. नानापुराणनिगमागमसम्मतं यद् रामायणे निगदितं कृदिच्छन्तोपि स्वान्तः सुखाय तुलसी रघुनाथ गाथा भाषा निबन्धमति मंजुलमातनोति. For the satisfaction of his inner self, Tulsidas brings forth this very elegant composition relating the story of Sri Raghunath, which is in accord with the various Purans, Vedas and the Agmas, Tantras, and incorporates what has been recorded in the Ramayana of Valmiki and culled from some other sources. जो सुमिरत सिद्धि होई गणनायक करि बर बदन करऊ अनुग्रह सोई बुद्धि राशि शुभ गुण सदन. May Lord Ganesha, the leader of Shiva's ritual, whose very thoughts ensure success, who has the head of beautiful elephant, who is a repository of the wisdom and an abode of virtues and bearing qualities, shower his grace on me. His grace on me. मूकम होई वाचालम पंगु चढ़ई गिरिवर गहन जासु कृपा सुदयाल द्रवौ सकल कलिमल दहन. May that merciful Lord, whose grace enables the dumb to wax eloquent and a cripple to ascend an inaccessible mountain, and who burns all the impurities of the Kali age, be moved to compassion on me. नील सरोहर श्याम तरुण अरुण बारीज नयन करो सो मम उर्धाम सदा क्षीर सागर शयन. May the Lord who ever reposes on the ocean of milk, and who is swarthy as a blue lotus and has eyes resembling a pair of full-blown red lotus, take up his abode in my heart. कुंद इंदु समदेह उमा रमन करुणा अयन जाहि दीन पर नेह करऊ कृपा मर्दन मयन. May the crusher of Cupid, Bhagwan Shiv, whose form resembles in color the jasmine flower and the moon, who is the consort of goddess Parvati and an abode of compassion, and who is fond of afflicted, be gracious to me. बंदौ गुरुपद कंज कृपा सिंधु नर रूप हरि महामोह तम पुंज जासु बचन रवि कर निकर I bow to the lotus feet of my Guru, who is an ocean of mercy and is no other than Sri Hari himself in human form, and whose words are sunbeams as in where. For disappearing the mass of darkness in the form of gross ignorance.